Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to fix Instagram login error on Chrome in PC. So guys, if you ever wondered how to fix this, first you could try just simply close your Chrome and just simply reopen it up and it should fix the issue. But if it doesn't, you could also try going to the incognito by selecting the three dots over here. And now here, you could just simply go ahead and go for the new incognito window and try logging in over here. Now, if it doesn't work out, what you could try to do as well is you could just simply go ahead and select the three dots over here and go to the settings. Now, go for privacy and security on the left side and then go for delete browsing data. So from here, make sure to select these two over here. When you delete the data of these two, mostly this will reset the Chrome and this should fix the issue. Or you could go for the all time over here to completely reset your Chrome and this should fix the issue. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below and we will do our best to answer them all and see you in the next video.